Hi everyone! My daughter Sophia is joining me today to do this unboxing for my, or should I say our, Glamour Jewelry Box for the month. We are so excited. Show them the box. Here it is right here. In case you haven't seen these videos before, I will leave a bunch of them linked down below. This is a really beautiful jewelry company. They send you handcrafted pieces every single month, catered to your personality when you take their quiz online. I'll leave all the information down below along with a code that you can use. And now we're gonna find out what's inside this month's Glamour Jewelry Box. There. And here is the lovely little pouch that I absolutely love. It's kind of like a microfiber velvet pouch, perfect for keeping your jewelry in at home or when you travel. So let's go ahead and find out what the first piece of jewelry is, my dear. Whee! Oh, look.
What are they?
The
Earrings.
Yeah, the earrings. I'll hold the earrings and you hold the bracelet. Here are the earrings.
And here's the bracelet.
Look how cool these are. So here are the earrings. So lovely. You can wear these very casual or dressed up. You like them? Oh, I love this. It's got a little knot here on the end so you can tighten it. So now you can wear it if I tighten it. So let's put your hand through. Oh, so pretty. Look. Look how cute that is. These are called modern dangly earrings, a modern take on hoop earrings. This pair features a chic hoop with a gold bar for an effortless style. I love it. So these retail for $25, and then this bracelet is called a rhinestone bracelet. This rhinestone bracelet is adjustable to ensure an effortless fit, making it perfect for those everyday delicate looks. Definitely a delicate piece. And I love that you can tighten it according to how you want to wear it, if you want to wear it looser, if you want to wear it tighter. And the bracelet retails for $25. And there's one more thing in our jewelry bag. Oh my gosh, look at how amazing this is. It is so stunning. Let me see, like it's put on your head. Look how pretty that is.
Cold, cold,
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. She said it's cold. This is so just beautiful. It looks very royal. Very glamorous. Okay, let's put it on.
I have makeup.
We did. I put a little bit more makeup on her than I normally do. I mean, I very rarely ever put makeup on her, but this time she asked for some makeup. So we put a little bit of eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, and for the first time ever, mascara. But honestly, I put like the smallest amount of each one. It still looks so good. All right, here you go.
Cold.
I know it's cold, but you're gonna have to stand it. Oh, look how pretty. Will you stand up for the camera? Oh, okay, let it go. Look how gorgeous.
Cold.
It is so pretty, huh? You can wear this with a pretty dress. Doesn't really matter what the neckline is. You can wear something that's low cut, or you can wear something that's a bit higher and just have it hanging out of the front and really pop that necklace. It's so pretty. What do you think? All right, let's read about this statement necklace. So this statement necklace, when it comes to making a bold statement, this necklace delivers an on-trend statement every time. Get ready to make this your new go-to for the season. And this statement necklace retails for $42, and this month's box is valued at $90, which is crazy.
Hey, Mom, do you see me in the back?
I do see you in the back. What do we want to say?
You're in charge of the video.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions at all, let me know down below. Find all the information out for Glamour Jewelry Box. Follow me on Instagram at PrettyCasualCoco. Give this video a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram for more looks with these jewelry pieces. And if you want to watch my other unboxings for Glamour Jewelry Box, I will leave those down below. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye. Bye.